Hello, I'm Ton Trapman. Welcome to the wind power use case and demonstrator for the DREAMS project. In the DREAMS project, we will carry out several goals, and in the work package 7, we will help support in these goals. On one hand, we want to validate all the innovations carried out in the research project of the DREAMS project, so the other research packages. Moreover, we want to implement a realistic demonstrator based on the offshore wind power domain so that we can assess the different safety requirements and the mixed criticality features. Moreover, we want to provide quantitative measurements of the contributions of the other technologies developed within the DREAMS project. And we want to pave the way for the dissemination, exploitation and community building by developing a real application as a showcase. Moreover, Alstom included some additional goals so that the product and the demonstrator is really a realistic product that can be used for the Alstom domain projects. So, we want to create a backward compatible product so that we can easily integrate the technologies developed within the DREAMS project without changing all the existing Alstom components. So we want to reuse as far as possible the current wind power solutions so that we already have our test benches, our test hardware, and we don't have to adapt our turbine logic. And finally, we want to have competitive advantages with respect to other solutions. So what is the wind power domain? In the wind power domain, in a wind farm, we will have several wind turbines that compose a wind farm. In each wind turbine, we have a control unit, apart from the other actuators and systems. The control unit uses digital I/O units to interact with all the actuators and sensors of the wind turbine. Moreover, there's a protection system in the wind turbine that is controlling the actuation of the control unit. However, this solution only has a hardware fault tolerance of 0. And the proposed solution in the DREAMS project is to extend the control unit by integrating the Harmonized Platform as the protection system of the wind turbine, so that we can achieve a hardware fault tolerance of 1. The idea of the Harmonized Platform is to use 2 different cores, one ARM core and one microblaze core, to implement the protection system logic of each for the different systems so that we can achieve a hardware fault tolerance of 1. So the idea is that in each core the protection logic is executed and they are compared within each other. Moreover, so finally the wind power demonstrator will have several layers, using also the Extratum hypervisor so that we can create 3 layers, which are for the supervision and the control of the wind turbine, a human-machine interface layer and the protection system layer. The advantage of using the hypervisor and the DREAMS platform will be that we can achieve different layers with different criticality while they are still being isolated from each other so that there's no interference in spatial and temporal interference. As for the hardware that we will use in the wind turbine and the demonstrator, we will use the existing wind turbine controller and integrate into this the protection unit that will be based on the DREAMS Harmonized Platform. Thank you for your attention.